Hey, good morning. I'm back at Home Depot for the last time. I need to buy a couple things, my plywood, paint, a couple more things. So all right, let's go. And I was able to get it loaded, so just one is working. So let's go home and finish the job. All right, so I have to rise this plywood, but it's not the same because I bought it flat. You know, I don't really need as thick as the other one, so I'm gonna try to raise it up by myself. So let's see if that works. All right, I did it. Was it too bad? It was heavy, but not too bad. Now I just need to finish screwing it. All right, it's painting time. All right, second coat done. Second and last one. Looks nice. Looks so good. Yeah, so it's lunchtime, day 5. It's time to cook some food. So I have pork here. I put some butter chicken seasoning, Indian style, a little bit. And what I have is this Ninja here. It's very useful. So usually I put roast, and it cooks by itself. That's it. So I'm gonna take a shower, and when I'm done, dinner is gonna be ready. All right, so I started to put additional horizontal 2x4 because I realized for what I need to do, I need another row even lower. So that's what I did right here at the bottom. I don't know if you see. So basically I have 2 rows here, one there, one there, one in the middle and one on top. So I'll be able to put my vertical 1x2, and then, but I'm gonna do that next time. I'm not sure if I'll be able to stain it this week. It's day 5. I have 2 more days, so maybe tomorrow, but it's always partly cloudy these days, and I don't want to take the risks that the rain comes after I start, doing it. So I finished painting the other side. So this is what it looks like. It's partly cloudy these days. We don't see much here, but you kind of see a little bit. So I installed or made those flashing metal siding I was telling you about. So I need to install 2 more. One there and one there, and that's it.